Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto bacon breakfast cups. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 12 pieces of bacon. I already put mine on a pan and I did bake it at 350 for 10 minutes just because I do like mine a little extra crispy. I'm not sure if that was even long enough. Then you need 12 eggs and then whatever you like to season your eggs with. I'm just using salt and pepper. And then you need a 12 cavity muffin tin. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and you can go ahead and bake your bacon if you want to do that, or fry it up in a pan at this time. As soon as your bacon is cool enough to touch, you just want to form it around your muffin tins. You don't really want it on the bottom, just around the sides to make sort of like a cup. So I'll have to open this one up. So now you just want to go ahead and crack an egg into the center of each one. All of my eggs have been added, and I just sprinkled a little bit of salt and pepper on each one. So now we're going to bake this at 350 for 20 minutes. These just came out of the oven. I did cook mine an additional 5 minutes. I just did not like the crispiness of my bacon, and I still don't. I wish I would have cooked it a little longer. Next time I'll maybe cook my bacon for 15 to 20 minutes before I do this. But this bacon was also thick, so it just depends on how you like it. So I'm going to let these cool off for about 5 minutes or so and see what taste tester thinks. All of the egg cups have cooled, and I just used a butter knife to help me remove them. You can see a little egg is left behind, but not too bad. They look so good. I cannot wait to see what taste tester thinks. I got one here for taste tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dana, for all, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.